Halloween here, and I'm so excited.
They are not.
Yes, they are.
They are?
Yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna try to go.
Say hi to the Halloween happy friends.
Hi, Halloween happy friends. Happy Monday.
Aw, I miss you. This is our first call that we're doing for our what are we calling these? We haven't really come up with a name, but we've called them our business meetings so far.
We need to call it something. Something maybe with the word Monday in it. Because it's our favorite day.
It is our favorite day. We'll have to think of something. And also, when I got on Facebook today, it was Crystal and I's Facebook friendiversary. So this is now our official Crystal and Sam day. This is like going to be our friendiversary that we're going to celebrate from
It is.
For years to come.
I'm just gonna come to Salem every February 10th.
Oh my God, I would love that. Any words of wisdom or just a little pep talk to get people through the week? Or what's your
Just
give?
do it.
I know. Or give them a tip of why they should love Mondays, because some people think I'm crazy when we talk about how much we love Mondays.
Well, I used to hate Mondays too. I hated them, but now I love them because it is just a fresh start to the week, and I feel like however you start your Monday off, it just kind of like trickles into the rest of your week.
It does.
So if you can start your Monday off amazing, like your week is just going to get better and better.
Yep.
And I don't know. Honestly, I feel like since you and me have really like
embraced
Mondays, like I feel like I see a difference in my week, and I can feel it too. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And knowing that just makes me even more excited about it.
Me too.
Go Monday!
We love Mondays! Hi guys, so just an update since you saw me and Crystal do our call earlier. I'm trying to get my Halloween videos ready. Well, filming them anyways because you delayed. I didn't delay. I feel like February was just like, hey, Sam, we're gonna go by really fast so you fall behind on your Halloween videos. I just made the cutest cards. I'm so excited to show them to you guys. I have one more project that I want to make because I think I'm just going to split them up in 3 videos, which you will either see after this vlog or before this vlog. I just love them so much. Like, I want to make cards and sell them. I know a few of you guys have said that you would buy my cards if I put them up for sale, and I just need to do it. I just need to do it. And if anyone wants to buy them, they can. So yeah, I'm just really excited about that. It was raining earlier. Is it still raining? It's still wet outside, but... So yeah, that's just an update. I'm behind on drinking my water, so I need to catch up on that. I need to do some clinic work. I gotta switch laundry around soon, too. Why aren't there 5 of me? Ooh, it's yellow and orange. Why is this so orange? Okay guys, switching over laundry. Raven had a turd on the freaking bed by my head. A turd by my head. Also washed my bathroom rugs, my Halloween ones. I got these from Target a few years ago. They're like my favorite thing. Halloween towels, Halloween pillowcases, Halloween placemat. I have so much to do and edit. Halloween sheets, got these from TJ Maxx a few years ago. Halloween quilt. A lot of you guys always ask me where I get this from, and I got this from Christmas Tree Shop. One of my other favorite things. Here's the pillowcase that Kathy LeBeau made me. Not this one, but jack-o'-lantern pillowcase. This was the one in my last mail video I was telling you guys about that she made me when I first started my channel. What if these were my bangs? Hi guys. So it's a little bit later. I feel like it's a lot later actually. I'm tired. Earlier I got sick just because like I got nauseous and overwhelmed because I was thinking about how much I have to do this week and how I'm so behind. But that's okay. There's things. That's okay. We're fine. We're good. So I started to feel nauseous and then I was fine eventually. So I just finished deleting. No, not deleting. I just finished editing my Salem vlog of where I hung out with the Salem buskers. They were doing a thing called Hug a Monster where you donate whatever and you get your photo taken with all of the buskers. I didn't realize that I didn't vlog that much during the Saturday event. Like late at night with the ice sculptures for Salem's So Sweet Festival I did. I know you guys are wanting to see more of Salem and I said I will do my best this year. Last year I just kind of took everything in and I wanted to enjoy it myself and not have to worry about vlogging. You just get overwhelmed, especially come busy season. There's so much to see and there's so many people that you really, because I have footage on my computer from October, last October, and the October before that. Plan on like putting that up eventually. I'm just gonna do like a throwback. I'll talk about it and then I'll show you guys the footage. I think that's what I'm gonna do whenever I get time to go in the past and edit that stuff. It just gets so busy during October and when everyone's trying to do the same thing and look at the same thing, like there's no way that I can get any good footage, honestly. So yeah, that's why I do pictures a lot. So I do Insta stories. So if you guys are on Instagram, definitely give me a follow. It's at Halloween Happy. I'm always posting on my Insta stories when I'm doing stuff in Salem. It's just so much easier and there's not so much anxiety and stress with it. Although I love vlogging. If it's busy, like it's just hard to, you know, because you gotta worry about kids. You gotta worry about people's kids being in the way. You gotta worry about other people being in the way. It's just a lot. But anyway, so I've edited that. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna do I need to film an intro. Kind of want to go to bed, but I'm eating my last snack of the day, my last meal. Some cereal with almond milk. Need to switch over some laundry. Oh my gosh, earlier I was taking a break because I was listening to music. And I saw on Snapchat that Jaclyn Hill had released a new video and she had to address her weight. I mean, I don't know. Some of you guys may know who she is. Some of you might not, but this is, if you do know who she is, you know, say what you will about her and everything that's happened with like her company and all of that stuff. But like, come on. Like she showed all of these screenshots of people asking like why she looks so big, why does she look like she's gained so much weight, why does her face look so puffy, like it's so rude. I can't even believe, like I can never picture myself, imagine myself messaging someone like that or just messaging someone so negative, something so negative. Like what is wrong with people? Like worry about yourself. If you have the energy to throw negative energy towards someone, you need to work on your life. You need to work on yourself. Life is too short, guys. We're all just trying to like live our life. We're trying to improve our life, improve ourselves. Like life is already hard enough. People don't need to worry about what you think of them in a negative way. Like holy cow. And I'm stuffing my face, but I can't imagine. I've had some people message me mean things and I'm just like, what is wrong with you? Like obviously it's not on the scale of Jaclyn Hill or anything, but the nerve of some people, when people are like that, like I'm not talking to you guys, I'm talking to the negative people. When you're like that, everyone knows that you don't feel great about yourself. Like we all know that you're not happy with yourself. So instead of worrying about other people and trying to drag them down, why don't you use that energy and focus on yourself? Like how do people not understand that? Like when you're mean to someone, everyone knows you're unhappy. Everyone knows you're not happy with yourself. Everyone knows you're the one that has some working on to do. So why do you feel like you can go on? Sorry guys, I'm getting mad. Anyway, do you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna work on a thumbnail. It's like 10:21 right now. Oh, I even got a bone? Oh. She's so crazy. She'll get a bone and then she's so loud about it. She'll like run around and throw it everywhere and you just hear it sliding across the floor and it sounds like. Raven got a bone? Sometimes you guys will message me asking the music that I use in my videos. The Halloween ones, I actually purchased the rights to those a long time ago when I first started my channel. And they're just in there as like Halloween 1, Halloween 2, Halloween 3. I got it from like a music site of where you can buy the rights. The other ones, if it's not Halloween, I find in just the YouTube audio library. Find them in the audio library on YouTube. You guys will ask the names of them, but once I download them, I just say okay to use. I feel bad because I can't always tell you the name of them, but just look on YouTube audio library. They have a lot of good music. Oh yeah. We went to go watch Gretel and Hansel. Did I talk about this? No. I liked it. It was very like, I don't know. The cinematography was very pleasing to the eye. All of the camera angles were interesting. I really liked it. I definitely want to get the score on vinyl. There were some parts that kind of took me out of it, but for the most part, I liked it, and it will be added onto my Halloween Happy movie list for October. Remember when we did that last year, guys? It'll be on there for sure. And if you like occult things, spooky, witchy things, I honestly want to see Birds of Prey, the Harley Quinn movie. That's one I'll probably like save to go see myself because you know I like going to the movies by myself. You should try it. It's actually really fun. So tomorrow I have to do clinic work. I'm actually going to get my nails done. I'm so excited. I've been getting gel on them, but it's been a while since I've gotten them done. And they're already breaking, and so some of them are long, some of them are short, but I really wish they were all the long length. So I'm going to the nail salon that I went to last time. I'm thinking about getting acrylic overlay on top of my natural nails. We're gonna see how that goes. I just worry, I don't like when it looks chunky or like I don't like when it looks like you have shells on your fingernails, like seashells. You know how some people get their nails done and it looks a little too chunky? That's what I worry about. So that's why I always get gel. So I'm not sure. I scheduled it for the acrylic overlay, but we'll see. Crystal just messaged me. She said, I'm so glad we had our Monday meeting. I am too. Really helps a lot. I feel like not a loser, not a failure, but I am a little bummed because it's Monday right now and I don't have the video to upload just because I was so busy this past weekend, but we'll get it up. So like, I know you guys are patient, but I feel bad. Like, I don't want it to be a thing of where I'm like, okay, there's going to be videos Mondays and Wednesdays, and then if I can upload Friday, cool. I don't want it to be where it's so often that it's Monday and I don't do a video, and then you guys are like, all right, Sam, well, we're here. Where are you at? So yeah, I feel bad, but I feel like I shouldn't feel bad, but I do feel bad. I feel like you guys are gonna tell me not to feel bad. All right, I'm gonna finish my cereal, work on a thumbnail, try to upload this video because I forgot we changed internet speed, so it's gonna take even longer. It's been taking like a day, so I was thinking it was gonna take more than that now, but no, girl, it's been on a slow one. Anyway, and I'm gonna pick some of the mess up over there of all my Halloween stuff, and I think I'm gonna go to bed. Also, for those of you who are like addicted to soda, I go through spurts. I used to be addicted to soda, and then I didn't, and then I was, and then I wasn't. I'm not, and I haven't been for a while. I wanted to share with you guys a little trick, I should say. Hang on. This is my fun cup. This is like drinks that are fun I put in here. It's the small things, guys. So I've been drinking this Polar Seltzer. Get the different flavors. I was getting them in the bottles, wanted to get them in the cans. What I do is, like, once I drink the amount of water that I'm trying to drink every day, I will spoil myself, treat myself, and have a Powerade Zero There's no sugar or anything in this. It's pretty good. It keeps you hydrated. Oh gosh, what's happening over there? What did you just eat? And then I mix it with the seltzer, and it kind of turns into like just a little soda. It's my trick soda. And this cup's so cute. It's one of my favorites. It says Crafty Witch. I usually like to do more seltzer versus Powerade, but they have all sorts of different flavors in the Powerade Zero. Just make sure if you get the 6-pack, you cut the little plastic rings, the fizzy stuff that your body is like craving, or I should say your brain. Try that and let me know. All right, I'm gonna try to get this thumbnail done.